CSS GSA's most favorite, one of the most favorite question is, they give you jumbled words, and you have to figure out, you have to find out a correct spelling out of it. For example, this year's paper question 7, part C's first part was something like this: THRSI. It is shirt, SHIRT, shirt. Again, it's logical reasoning. You have to practice it to understand. The second one is GNDREA. It's danger. 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 Third one is, oh, this one gave me a hard time. It's very simple, but a lack of practice at times, turns out to be painful as well as painful. So this was actually stomach. I had to spend a lot of time on it, and then I started solving the science portion of GSA, and afterwards somehow when I came back and I realized it's stomach. Thank God. STOMACH, stomach. Fourth one is ONLNDO. This is London. LONDON. And trust me, even in the paper I was solving them this easily, because you have to practice them. There are zillions of questions and examples on the internet. Just go there, practice them, and trust me, in our CSS paper, most of the questions, such questions, come out of GRE examples or GRE books that you can find online. The algorithm is going to help you with it. Just go there and practice it. The last one is Hayo Delhi. It's holiday. 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 This is how you got 5 marks, and with practice you can easily get 5 marks just like that in less than 5 seconds. The last part of question number 7. Question number 7, part D. It says Sarah's mother is 6 times older than Sarah, whereas her brother Ali is twice as old as Sarah. In 3 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 72. How old are they now? The question says Sarah's mother is 6 times older than Sarah right now. So now, let's assume Sarah's age is X. It says her mother is 6 times older than Sarah. The mother now is equals to 6 times older than Sarah, means 6 multiplied by Sarah's age, which is X. And Ali, his brother, is twice as old as Sarah. Twice means multiplied by 2. So right now their ages are these. Sarah is X years old, mother is 6X, and Ali is 2X. It also says in 3 years' time, in 3 years' time means X plus 3, which is Sarah's age. Her mother's age is 6X plus 3. Similarly, Ali's age is 2X plus 3. In 3 years' time means we add 3 years to their ages. After 3 years, it says. After 3 years, the sum of their ages is 72. After 3 years, Sarah is x plus 3. Her mother is 6x plus 3. And Ali, his brother, is 2x plus 3 is equals to 72. This is given. So we'll add the variables with the variable and the constants. 7, 8, 9x plus 3, 3, 9, 3. 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 9x plus 9 is equal to 72. 7x, 8, 9x, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Fine. Now 9 comes to this side, to the other side of the equality, it becomes -1. So 72 minus 9 equals 10, 11, 12, 3 and 63. 9x is equals to 63, which means x is equals to 9. 63 divided by 9. 9 goes to this side, it's in multiplication here, and it will be in division on that side. So it becomes 7. 9 sevens are 63. So the age of Sarah right now is 7 years, because we assumed that the age of Sarah is x incumbently or at the moment. So as we've calculated x, which is the age of Sarah, to be x, which is equal to 7 years. Yes. So our mother's age would be 6 into 7, 42 years. Now Ali's age is 2 into 7, 14 years. Now how would we write our answer? Now Sarah, Ali and their mother are 7 years, Ali's age is 14 years and 42 years old respectively. Answer. This is basic algebra, where the difference between algebra and arithmetic is these are two branches or types that we deal in mathematics: arithmetic, algebra. Here we deal with numbers. In algebra we deal with numbers plus variables. Variables are your alphabets: A, X, Y. Numbers are 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 divided by 4, etc. In algebra, for a missing number we assume that number to be a variable, and with calculation and simplification we find out the value of this variable. This is algebra. Thank you very much.